What is good, everybody on YouTube? It's me, Homo Jonathan. I know I've been like ghost for like 2 months, but I'm back with my sisters. First time being on my video. Say what's up.
Hey.
And so we're gonna do like who has a more fire playlist, me or my sister, and we're gonna be like a little mukbang type. We got some Whataburger, so let's get right into it. So you know what I'm saying? We gotta eat that Whataburger. All right, so we're gonna start off with her playlist. See which one's better. I mean, I think mine's pretty fire to be honest, but let's let ladies first. All right, go ahead and start off. Say. Hopefully we won't get copyrighted, so. I got tenders and gave me no gravy. And for those of you that don't know, I just graduated high school and like my bad, I've been ghost for like 2 months. It's just I'm still deciding on what I want to do. Like college, I'm working a full-time job right now, so and like I live in a smaller town type city, so it's like harder to get some good content out here. Just saying. So my bad, that's my fault to be honest.
Now get them new Jordan flows. Pissing me out, she kept telling me no. So I went got all that shit on my own. I was only 15, but I thought I was grown. I was 15, fucking bitches in college. Go to their dorm, then go through their wallets. Circle got smaller, cause niggas want solid. You only they dog when they hand in your pockets. You niggas changing on game for the book.
Showing that spicy ketchup. You know, I really don't like it, but sorry. I just need some of that good love. Y'all comment down if y'all heard that song. Y'all think that's like cool. I don't know. I ain't heard this song before. No, I haven't heard it.
Early morning, Uncle women in the kitchen. Some people said I couldn't do it and I did it. Look at my
Alright, so I guess we'll go ahead and play mine. Y'all comment down below who you think has a better playlist, my sister or me. I'm gonna have to with this one. My Mac Miller people, y'all know what's up. On your day. I honestly love this song. Like, I never get tired of hearing it.
Now, I got a little bit of money filling my pockets. Roll around like I run and shit. I got a system filled up.
I'm gonna have to get on some Bad Bunny, you feel? Oh, I'm gonna have to get my boy El Chivo. I'm more on the Mexican playlist, but also a rap, you feel? Young Thug, new album. You already know. Tell me how y'all feel on this song. Hopefully not too loud because we're in the car. We're using the Apple CarPlay on here, but hopefully I can hear everything you're saying. I have to put some blue face. I already know which one. Where is it at? Blue face. Trying to put blue face buzz down. Blue face. And it's getting hot in here too. We can try and get good audio in here, and we don't have that AC.
I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, speed it up, now slow that shit down on the gang, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gang, oh, bust down, Tatiana.
We already had like the same amount of songs or what?
You need one more.
One more? Damn, that's the Natalie song. Alright, the reason why I love this song so much, when I went to Cali, I heard this song, and every time I play this song, Señorita, like it gives me flashbacks of like living in Cali and visiting, because I went over there for 2 weeks, and it was like hella fun, hella mad vibes. So it's by Shawn Mendes, of course, Señorita. Turn this hoe up. Me and my sister know what's up with this song, had to. So I'm gonna be like hating on me for this song. Alright, well, that's it with the little mukbang, and for real, comment down below whoever had the most lit playlist. My sister right here, and the reason why she looks a little rough is because I just like out of nowhere came with this idea, like, hey, let's shoot this video, and then we went and got some Whataburger, and then we came back, sat in this car, and literally just did it right now. So that's why she has no makeup on. She looks rough, but that's my sister, and I love her. And as always, if you enjoyed this type of video, I never done this type of video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and post notifications so you won't miss a single video. I know I haven't been posting much, but that'll change, of course. And as always, be humble, guys. Peace out.